afternoon. It's my first time to be here. As a teacher, for me, there cannot be anything greater than this as a group of students. Really, when we talk about as a teacher, we always feel and longing for the group of the students, and especially being it's a very happy moment for me when I got to meet students like few people, especially energetic, intelligent, and very enthusiastic. You guys have been speaking here in the first round. It was very easy for you because it is very known to you that whatever you want to speak here. But after getting the first round, I was thinking that it's happened everywhere and the student is speaking in very first round. Let's see what happened in the second round. Really, when I got the participant 1 or 2, I was thinking that such as intelligent students, they are very laborious, they can speak. So it happened. But after completing the second round, really I got, you have done great job here. You have been preparing, you have been discussing in your classes, you have been doing GD, whatever. That is really very positive. And it is, if you guys are speaking here, if you guys are doing here anything, that is also your GD classes. And obviously, the classes is important, but as our teacher always say, that GD classes are very important for us. When we get the time for conversation for other things. Definitely there are some students they try to speak themselves from that particular thing. Especially the students are from rural areas. They looking for what? They looking for especially classes. The classes should be so long. They don't want to go in JD or especially because actually the work is totally depend on the students in the area. But those who did hard work over there, the result is just moving. Number of students and really I got little student over here. And at the age of the student, I did not think about such as cognitive. Let alone speak. Now you are speaking about the brain drain. That is a huge there. If you guys are having such as things, you guys are getting such as atmosphere here. So it is only and only because of your hard work, and if you are getting to do such as hard work, it's only and only because of America. You guys are still lucky that you have such a great teacher here. Especially there is some institute. There is actually before this, your son professor has been teaching somewhere else, and those students is receiving. Because of not his good looking, because of his dedication towards the student. And if you guys are speaking, you guys are doing such as things. So all the credit not I'm saying, but maximum credit goes to professor. So again I have to request you people, please put your hands together for it. Please guys. And I would like to forget to tell here, if American is here, professor is teaching you, that is not the effort of the single guys, not the effort of only head office. It is why possible, it is possible because of the effort of the our senior, our teachers, our mentor, our guardian, Sisal sir and Sandar sir. So please put your hands together for it, please guys. I'd like to talk about, I'm not going to take much time of you because actually there are some students, they are getting late. So I'd like to talk about how we can improve our education, our speaking. Especially I'm talking about, right? Because we people the first intention to be in America that was to speak English. Isn't it? It was. Yeah, but see, you guys are here only and only because of speaking English. Alright? Why did you come here? For speaking English. Point is that your father has spent some money on you for what? In American Institute, your father has spent some money on you for what? Speaking English. Isn't it? पापा ने आपके ऊपर पैसे क्यों खर्च किए? या घर परिवार की खर्चे? आपको अमेरिका के प्रति जो पैसे खर्च हुए हैं वो किस लिए हुए हैं? स्पीकिंग में बोलने के या have you ever spoken before your family, before your father?
Yes.
Have you ever?
Yes.
How many of you has done this? This is not good for us as well as not good for you people. Whenever our parents work something for us, we need to give reward to them. If we guys have been learning here English, so it is very important to use that particular language before our family, before our father and our mother and all the relatives whoever is coming to you. If they are able to appreciate, if they are able to understand it. What happened? We guys are learning in English. Some of them will be from the rural areas. Yeah. Especially I am talking about the those students who are coming from the villages. For them, it is not easy to speak English after American. But honestly, I say here, if you are not speaking English out of American, you are not going to be the perfect speaker. You are having only 2 hours, maximum 2.5 years. Later, you have the atmosphere of the Hindi, atmosphere of your local language. Even you are not speaking proper Hindi, your Hindi. You are speaking your rural word you are using over there. You are using your local language. In India, somewhere we guys are, actually what happened, we think about what will others say. Especially in India, somehow we are still we are mentally safe. We don't want to express whatever we have. Before this, I was talking about the attitude, something like that. And most of us take it in wrong way. There should not be attitude, something like that. Honestly, I tell that as a learner should be here. Most of our family, most of our teachers, they say that we should not be very selfish. Honestly, I say as a learner we should be selfish. If we guys are very dedicated towards our job, we will be, honestly, we will be selfish over here. If we are not going to be selfish, we are going to, indulge with the local boys and local person. We have to save ourselves from them. We have to show that we are different from them. How? Because we have done such as hard work. If we guys have been learning English, why we should not speak English out of American? Actually, we don't get that atmosphere, isn't it? It's American के बाहर हम English क्यों नहीं बोलते? We don't have environment. Actually, we have environment. It's our skill that we don't have environment. I'm recalling my days the moment I was learning English in America. There we were going according to the teacher and according to the book. We don't have anything to get the more knowledge about English out of the American. Whatever we were getting, that was only and only was given by the teachers or seniors in America. But you guys are struggling that you have a lot of atmosphere, a lot of means where you can use your time to improve yourself, use your time to get the knowledge. Actually, you guys are having classes here. Don't need to go outside. You guys have some batchmates. You guys are having the contact number of each other. Don't you have?
Yes.
Obviously, you have. आप अपने बैच के लोगों का तो contact number होगा ना आपके पास. Daily decide that 1 hour I have to discuss with my friends, with my batchmate, out of the building. How it would be possible? It would be possible if you are using the cell phone. And definitely we cannot escape ourselves to use the cell phone. We guys are going to use the cell phone. If we are using the cell phone, why I should not give ourselves? For that my father has sent me here. For that my father has spent some rupees, some money to sacrifice his desire and something like that. So why I should not speak? What happened? Why I say it's the matter of the showing off. Why some people are thinking so. कुछ लोगों को लगेगा शो ऑफ का मैटर. It's not the matter of showing off. It is the matter of to be more confident, to It is the matter of your father, your parents what accepting from you. You are doing hard work towards that. If you are practicing with your whatever whoever is there, best friends, you are going to discuss 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and mind it. Does not matter whether I speak right or wrong. If you will think in your starting time, definitely you will not speak. Does not matter you are speaking right or wrong, just keep on speaking. If you have been speaking at your home, there might be your elder brother, might be a elder person of your family too. They are going to appreciate, they are going to listen to you people. And obviously, listening is also part of learning. If we are listening something, definitely we are not listening, we are learning that. Whatever we are, I'm calling those family, where number of people they are not able to speak single word of the English. Yeah. But when they go for the receiving the call, what the first word of those people who never ever been in the school? What is the first word of that particular person? Are you recalling? That is hello. Is it Hindi? They are speaking or not? How they are? Where they go for to learn this? They go for somewhere. They went for somewhere to learn it. Why? Listening. I'm saying this. I'm saying if there is your elder in your family, if you guys have been learning it, if you guys have been conversing at your home, you guys are talking English with your friends at your home, they are going to appreciate you, they are going to listen you, and they are going to follow you. They will be very familiar to the English word. And the first point is that we must be familiar to the word. Actually, language needs emotion and feeling. If we don't have emotion with the words, we cannot speak properly. You might be, I am recalling one word, the pronunciation will be told by you people. Prediction को ना उसका उच्चारण आप लोग बोलिएगा. Why English or any language need feeling and emotion? एक word है F-I-E. That is F-I-E. What is the pronunciation of that word? Fine. क्या होता है? Speak up this word. What? Got it. आप जा रहे हो रास्ते में कोई गंदा दिखा. What is the expression of you? See, कुछ करके बोलते हो? Do it, say it. No, speak something. While you are speaking in Hindi, see, and you are speaking in English, bye. After getting such a thing, will you give a smile here? Will you give a smile? जब ऐसी गंदी चीजें आपको दिखेगी, तो आपके चेहरे से स्माइल आएगा, एक्सप्रेशन बदल जाएगा. क्या बोलोगे? मुंह का चेहरे का एक्सप्रेशन बदल जाता है कि बदल जाता है? और हम जब इंग्लिश में फाइव बोल रहे हैं तो फाइव कैसे हो गया? ये वर्ड ऐसा है कि आप कभी चीज कुछ होकर के बोल ही नहीं सकते. बोलोगे ये अच्छी चीज लाइक दैट we will speak. No, we are going to feel that. Why we don't speak Hindi? Because we feel. We know what is the emotion that particular word, what are the feeling that particular word are having. So these things is very needed. If we guys have been learning from our childhood, our feeling, our emotion will be connected with that particular word. So whatever we guys have been doing here, our elders wouldn't be needed to do that sort of hard work. So I request you people, just whenever you are taking time at your home, just try to make a call to your batchmate and just talk in English. Will you do it? If you are doing, you are going to be, very good speaker very soon. Because at your home you are fighting, if you are very free to speak whatever you want. Because you don't have any burden to think that someone is listening and someone going to read it like me. You don't have such a things over there. So definitely you are free and you are going to be a good speaker because you are speaking freely. This is stated. If we are free to speak, then we are going to learn. We are not very free, we are very puzzled, we are very confused, we are feeling shy over there. Such as things doesn't going to make good effect on us. So very first point that be free and keep speaking. And start from today to make a call at least one person from your batch and daily try to speak English. And second point is that you guys have been speaking here. You guys have been doing a lot of job. What is that? Whenever we guys have any topic, what is the view to think about that topic? Very first point, in the second round, in the third round, what is your point of view of that particular topic? What is that? If you got any topic, just start thinking about that. And point is that number of time we need to think different from other. That you would be good that other actually number of people they are waiting for us for the exams. They are waiting that they are going to see us if we are not better than them. So very first point is that how we should think. आप कोई टॉपिक जब आपको मिले तो आपको सोच उसमें आपका क्या होना चाहिए, आपका एक व्यू क्या होना चाहिए, ये बहुत इफेक्ट करता है, ये बहुत मायने रखता है। आप सोचोगे कैसे? If you talk about the Taj Mahal, have you ever heard this word Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal सुना है? लगभग सालों से सारे लोगों ने सुना। Taj Mahal क्यों बनवाया गया? हाँ? अच्छा, मतलब कोई सावधान तो उसने अपनी वाइफ के लिए ताज महल बनवाया। It was the photosonic Taj Mahal. It is the common sense of thinking of any particular topic. किसी टॉपिक का कॉमन सेंस होता है, वो कॉमन सेंस नहीं हम जनरल सेंस थे तो ज़्यादा सही रहेगा, क्योंकि कॉमन सेंस तो बहुत कॉमन भी नहीं है कि कॉमन लोग हुआ है। एक नॉर्मल लोग की सोच ही होती है ना, ताज महल क्यों बना, वो तो मुमताज के लिए बनाया। As a king, do you think Modi ji is going to do any biggest thing of the world for his family or for his family member? क्या आपको लगता है इस वक्त मोदी जी कोई ऐसा सबसे बड़ा भारत का सबसे बड़ा जो काम में से एक हो वो अपने परिवार के किसी के लिए करेंगे? Do you think that was the one reason, not the only one reason कि उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ के लिए बनाया? हमको तो सोचने की जो हमारी पॉइंट होनी चाहिए, we should go according to economically as well as politically, and don't forget we should think what other will feel for that. What other will think for that. We should not speak of society. As that time, he was the king of that particular area. If you talk about the Shahjahan, he was the king or not? राजा थे, उनकी प्रजा भी थी। He was doing something for his subject, अपनी प्रजा के लिए कुछ करना था। अगर एक would have been doing for his own family, then definitely प्रजा को विरोध कर दिया। But God, did you get it? Have you ever heard that his subject went against him? No. Why? Because he did not do only and only for his wife. जब एक राजा हो अपनी जो कोई भी प्रजा है उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काम करता है। आपको लगता है कि ताज महल बना था सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुमताज के लिए नहीं, उस वक्त उनको भी आप आज योगी जी से रोजगार की बात करते हो, मोदी जी से बात करते हो, उन पर टॉक करना you talk or not? Definitely we go for job for leaders. Why? Because they are going to provide us job. At that time वो जिसको चाहते बैंक में कर सकते थे कि नहीं कर सकते थे? रेलवे बेच सकते थे, जेआरसी में चेयरमैन बना सकते थे कि नहीं? ये आप could not do because at that time there was no bank, there was no LIC, there was no railway. जॉब का ऑप्शन क्या था?
वो बात बना हम सिग्नेचर कर देंगे, नाम लिख देंगे।
उस वक्त जॉब ऑप्शन क्या था? मजदूरी। To make Taj Mahal, he needed lot of labor. वो जब तक वो रोजगार देने के लिए एक देश था, उस वक्त not only Taj Mahal was built over there. आप देखोगे उसी टाइप का हमने राजघाट बनवाया। For what? For the job opportunities of the people. And if you are going to do anything, it is also so of political point। और राजाओं से बेहतर बनना था। ये हमारे पास किला है। That was the era of that particular thing to make the number of votes. So what he did, that he did only and only for the Mumtaz. No, he did for the society, for his subject too. So I mean to say that whatever we are doing, we think that we are not doing for our own sake. We are doing it for our family, for our relatives, for society. If we guys are have been doing such as things, so what is our responsibility? If we guys are have been learning English here, so we should stop ourselves. अगर हम यहाँ इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं तो क्या उद्देश्य है हम सीख करके बैठ जाएं? That what is our responsibility?
देखिए सही कह रहे हैं
Yes, we are commanded to others that go and learn English. Come and learn English. Come and speak with me. It is our responsibility. So I like to request you people, whenever or wherever you are getting chance, just try to speak English and try to connect others. Because without English it is not easy to survive in this time. Obviously in this era we need a lot of technologies, activities. We need to do a lot of things by the computer. So honestly, if we talk about the technologies and computers, language that is English. If we talk about the higher education, that is English. Obviously, if you are not able to make yourself proper for the medical, for the number of people they are thinking that I must be in the medical sector, I must be engineer, I must be doctor. You could not able to make. But I mean to say, you can make a lot of opportunities for your family members, for your juniors, for your youngers. So just learn English and try to make others to learn English. And whenever you are speaking, just try to convince others that if I can do this, so you can also do it. आप सीखो, दूसरों को भी सिखाओ, आप ये घर में करो, आप सीख सकते हो तो दूसरे भी सीख सकते हैं। बहुत सारे यहाँ बैठे हुए जो इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनना चाहते होंगे, आप नहीं बन पाए, आपके सपने अधूरे रहे। लेकिन आप एक वजह ये था कि आपने सुना होगा जो आजकल लेट हो गया पेपर हो रहा, उसमें मैक्सिमम इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बच्चे जा रहे हैं, बोर्ड वाले या हिंदी मीडियम वाले टीचर जा रहे हैं। दिस इज द रीजन। अगर लैंग्वेज की मुश्किल हर चीज बना रही है तो लैंग्वेज को सीख लेते हैं। दैट्स ऑल। आप नहीं सीख पाए कोई बात नहीं, आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाओ, अपने आसपास के लोगों को सिखाओ, अपने फ्रेंडों को सिखाओ, अपने जूनियर जो घर में उनको सारे लोगों को मैनेज करो। जस्ट इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट तो आपको मौका नहीं मिला, शायद उसके लिए आसान होगा। गॉट इट? सो विल यू कन्वे टू योर फ्रेंड्स दैट यू शुड लर्न इंग्लिश? You should convey it. Got it? So without taking much more time, actually we are getting I'm getting the dedication from my teachers, seniors, that I should close myself here. And definitely, after getting your third round, you come for declaration of the result.